Hello student, good morning. Today we'll start the topic second chapter 2 and chapter 3 are internet and web services. Regarding the internet, intranet and extranet, last class already had discussed, and browser, many more things we had discussed last class. And today only the second chapter that already you are knowing, everybody you are knowing the chapter 2 content is what, and the content regarding the information also you are knowing because in class 9 it was taught. So just brush up after your main chapter is coming, your database chapter 3, that is the important chapter. But chapter 2, what are the parts that to be brushed only, I will discuss and will give the notes here also and to write concentratively and then try to revise the chapter. So the topic today will start, that is your search engine. Search engine. Actually, you all of you are knowing search engine because every day we are using the search engine. Just like as a Yahoo and your Google, these all are the search engine. Actually, work of search engine is what? Search engine means when you want to search some topic, then what are you doing? You are just writing something, the keyword. And the keyword when you are writing, automatically what is happening? The search engine itself through the various agents, it searches the different servers and from the server it collects the information and give you. This is the process by which you are getting by using the search engine. Okay. So little definition, just to want to write the definition, what the definition will be, just follow here. It is a program, or you can write it is a website also. Okay, it is a program that searches the data through are you getting all of you? Through a database of web page, for any information we need. So that already I told. First we will write the keyword, and from the keyword the search engine searches through the various regions, just like as crawler. Crawler, you are knowing all of you, crawler is what? Crawler helps to connect to the various servers of the respective websites and then collects the information and give to you. That is the use of that. Okay. For example, just search engine, after you will write the example. What the examples are there? Just like as Google. Okay. So its URL is what? www.google.com. Google.com. Yeah, second, you can take the help of second example is what? Bing.com. You can find in the book also, so many examples are there. Yahoo.com, www.yahoo.com. Already you are knowing, many more you can include in your notes. Okay. Next, how you can use the web services. Yeah, how can you get the web services? Basically, students, you know that one key, how the services you can get. Just I am giving one your diagram logically. Yeah, you can say diagrammatically I am giving you this part just to see. You know, we are writing the absolute URL. You are knowing the URL are two types. One is your absolute URL and a relative URL. Relative URL means local address, local file, when it is just like as c:/ and k.html by your k.doc. When you are storing this, saving this file under C drive, this is the local address. This is called the relative URL. But when absolutely you are understanding at that time, you are writing what? HTTP colon double slash then www.yahoo.com. When you are writing this time, what you are searching, what you are doing here, what is the meaning of this one? The meaning is what? HTTP. When you are writing this one, no, this is the protocol. It helps to take or carry the request of yours. That means this is the HTTP request carrier, and it helps to reach the information coming from the server to the person, yeah, those who are making the query. That means HTTP work is what? A request. It takes the request and then provides the response. This is the HTTP request and HTTP response. It means what? First of all, you see, when you are writing any query, so at that time what are doing? You are giving the request. You are giving the request to whom? To the web server. To the web server. This is the web server. Okay. And when you are doing so, after that web server, what does it do? It searches a number of connected web server at the various location through the crawlers, yeah, through the any other regions by agents. And then what happens? Web server searches the respective database. Actually, database structure is made like this way. You follow it. This is the database where respective, yeah, concerned database of the respective server. Suppose your server is wanting to connect to another server, so that server having a database also, and from that database the data will be picked up. That's why, suppose this is the database from which the data will be come out. So what will happen? The web server will provide the request to the database, search the data. Suppose data is available now. So what will happen? This data is forwarded to the server, web server, and then web server will send to the user through the HTTP response. This is called response. HTTP response, HTTP request. That's why we can say this is the very important part. You understand it. HTTP having two services, that is a request and HTTP response. Request and a response. Web server provides the request to the carry the request and then searches the data from the database, and again from the database the data is sent to the web server and then it is carried and reached at the user. Actually, it's having a little more complexity that in a higher class you will study. So when the server is bringing the data, at that time, first of all, it is intermediated through the middleware, and that middleware itself is called as the XML. Okay, in a higher class when XML will study, at that time you can understand the importance of it. So when data is coming, first of all, it will remain in the your middleware, and then from the middleware it will be transferred to the user machine. Understood? So now, this is the part, just it's a type of explanation that already you understood. Now we'll go through the, so what the detail, what the note you write here now, the user request, this is, you understand, user request, this is the user request, that is your HTTP request. You will note down like this way. After that HTTP request, this is called request, and where it goes, it is go to the web server. This is called web server, and then web server where brings the data. Now it brings the data from the database. This is the database. Okay, and then it searches the data and gets the, as soon as it gets the data, again if the data comes to web server. See, this is the response. This is the response, and the response is coming. Look at here, the response is coming to the user. This is the process of connecting one web server with many web servers. Understood, all of you? Okay. So now you can make the diagram of this one, and wherever to note that you can write a note. Okay, next topic will start. Next topic is what? That is called how search engine work. How search engine work. It is the search engine. In search engine, you can type just a keyword. Just already I have discussed. In search engine, you just note down it. In search engine, okay, you can type the keyword. You can type the keyword. I'm detecting also, right? Just like as in the classroom. Type the keyword and then to search for different web servers. Okay, then on the web and provides us the detail what you want to get. But we लिखो इसमें you नहीं we लिखो. We want to get. Okay. In search engine you can type the keyword to search for a different web servers on the web and provides us the details what we want to get. Understood? That's a keyword you are writing. Then what will happen? It will connect to a number of web servers, and then from the web servers your respective database it will go and then searches the data, and the data is get resent to the user. In this way the search engine works. Okay. So apart of this, while searching what the other components of it takes the help. Number one is what? It takes the help of. Already I have told crawler help of what? Na spider. देखो इसमें एक point बता रहा हूँ. Spider is also, it helps to search the data from the various web servers, and the web server having respective databases. From database the data comes and then get loaded to your computer. Then only you can see. So that's why spider. Number two is your what? Crawler. Number two is your web crawler, bots and agents. Actually, what they have the duty when the search engine is requested some keyword. So at that time what will happen? These agents, what they will do? These agents will move to search the various web servers, okay, various servers and its respective databases to collect the data from them, and then those data get transferred to the user's interface. So in this way it works. Okay, next point. Topic is your what? Okay, our next topic is what? That is called FTP. FTP server also, FTP protocol also you are knowing. FTP protocol means what? That is file transfer protocol. FTP means what? File transfer protocol. Okay, it is having two components. One is a FTP server. Simultaneously you get note down. Okay, FTP server and FTP client. Okay, actually what is its role? Actually FTP helps to the TCP IP protocol. You know already. TCP IP protocol means TCP is your what? This is called transmission control protocol. control protocol. Already it was taught in the previous lower junior classes. Protocol and IP. This is the IP. Actually, it is a group of protocol. IP is what? Internet protocol. Both have different work also. Here just a little hints I am giving. TCP, already TCP is what? This is called as the transmission control protocol. Transmission control protocol is called as, this is called connection oriented protocol. Connection oriented protocol. And internet protocol is what? Connection-less protocol. Connection-less protocol. Okay, do you understand? Actually, ये connection oriented is what? Or connection-less protocol is what? Connection oriented means your transmission, your IP work is what? IP connection-less protocol will work what? First, your network, yeah, your connectivity will be there. When network is approved, yeah, it is recognized, then only IP will have the work is what? It will put the data packets on the channel. Okay, that's why we say IP is in connection-less protocol, because it is not having any responsibility whether it is connected or not connected. When it will be connected, then it will start its work. Its work is what? Put the data on the transmission channel. And TCP work is what? To make a connection. Okay, when connection is established, yeah, network is established, then only both TCP and IP will work. Actually, TCP IP is what? We say TCP IP is a suite of 10 protocols. Many more protocols are there. You will study in the higher classes also. I'm just saying, just like as FTP, your GNP, Gateway Network Protocol, UDP, User Datagram Protocol, and many more protocols are there. Okay, I'm not going to discuss more about it. So FTP helps the TCP IP. That means FTP work is what? It helps in transferring the, by exchange of, it helps. देखो, आज I'm writing, same way you should write in the notebook also, because it will help. Okay, it helps to exchange the file or data. Okay, that's why we say file transfer protocol. That means file transfer takes place. Okay, so this is all about the FTP server and the FTP client. So FTP client means the client itself gets the services from the FTP server. Okay, next part is your what? Next part we will study about the chart. CHAT, chart. Next topic will start the chart. Chart means already you are knowing, you are very much interacted with the chatting, because you do people every day. Now in a lockdown period you must be chatting with each other. The chatting means we use a type of server, yeah, services provided by the website or like that, through which we are getting an interface to interact with each other. Okay, that is called the text message transfer. That is called your chatting. Chatting means your text message transfer through the various program in internet, using internet. Actually, chat room, what is the chat room exactly? Chat room is what? Now it is a website or online service. Website or online service that provides the venue or an interactive service through which many people get interacted interacted to pass the text messages. Okay, this is called chat room. Chat room means what? Just an interface through which you are getting interacted. The interface itself is what? It is a services. Yeah, that you can say web services. We can say you can do the Yahoo chatting. Yeah, you are doing some IRC chatting or ICQ chatting. So just different type of chatting we are doing. So one by one, I'm just going to discuss. You follow. The second part, third part is right here. What types of chatting? Types of chatting. Types of chat means one is your IM chatting. That is called instant messaging. Instant messaging. For it we messaging. What are we doing? For instant messaging, particular software we have to download, and then only we can follow the instant messaging. So that through the IP connectivity is done, and then only the messaging is occurred. Second part is your what? Your second part is ICQ. ICQ. It should be pronounced like this. Seek you. Remember it. It's spelling C here, but seek it is told. So ICQ means I seek you. ICQ just like as a conferencing tool, just like as a. इसमें लिखो थोड़ा सा. It is just like a conferencing tool. Conferencing tool. Okay, conferencing is just like what you can conference. No, you just two or many people together are coming and then making a chatting or like that. That is called conferencing tool. That conferencing tool you should have in your computer or system. Then only you can perform the your chatting. Next one is your number 3. Number 3 is your IRC. This is called IRC. IRC, that is called what? That is called Internet Relay Chart. Internet Relay Chart. What is the work of it? It provides a number of chat room. Actually, IRC having a little importance because it provides a number of chat room, and you can interact thousands, that you can say thousands of people together through it. Okay, through it. Okay, next one is your what? Number 4, web-based chart. Web-based chart. Actually, web-based chart work is what? Through any website. The chatting is done, called as web-based chart. Actually, in this case, no need of installing any software or I'm writing once more because it's not visible, I think. Okay. So any website. Actually, this chatting is done through any website. Okay, through any website. The chatting is done. Okay, called as web-based chat, just like at Yahoo chat. That means through the website Yahoo, search engine Yahoo, the chatting session is there, and two person can be interacted and then can perform the chatting. That is called the what? That is called web-based chatting. In it, what will happen? In it, no need of installing any software or app, okay, in your system. So it is performed through the browser only. It is performed through the actually longer file it will be, then it will be difficult to upload. That's why I am very hurry. So it is performed through the no need of installing any software or app in your system. It is performed through the search engine or website only. Okay. Thank you, students. Next class we will study the different part of your email and other things. Till then, okay. Thank you. God bless you.